Okay guys, this is part 4. Okay, so in this part we're gonna like clean out the fridge, you know, give a little haul of like what's in the fridge, but the freezer. We're going to the freezer first. So first is 2 bags of broccoli. Just got the goods, bro. We got the goods. So we're gonna like put them on the ground and like try to go quick. Okay, and we have some green beans. Then baked beans. I don't know, guys. That looks like a dead body. Then, guys, there's corn dogs. Yeah, we're gonna throw this away. These were due by the 2025 year. This is definitely a dead body. It's definitely a dead body. But it's okay. Then we have shrimp. Let's see when this was due by. Guys, it doesn't say. It's literally blank. Best used by me. It's okay. We're fine. We will stay alive. It's okay. Then we have mini pancakes. When is it best used by? It doesn't say. Mini pancakes. You know. Okay, I'm not tripping. What the hell is this? Pork tender. So it has to be sold by June 8th, 2025. So that is probably garbage. Alright. So now we got like the first area cleaned out. So we got like all this cleaned out, so we're gonna clean this real fast. So okay, I'd say like this is like better, you know? Better. It's not like really good. So we're gonna like we're just gonna make sure, you know, the other stuff is not expired. Cause like gotta make sure.